Hi, today I'm for the REALME C53 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green oval keyboard application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the green oval keyboard. And now we should get this application set, so that's why tap the install button, and after that just tap to open the app, click enabling settings, and here green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, just tap to OK twice and click to go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's check our new keyboard looks. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of them address. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.